What's going on, snipers, and happy new year. 2022 is officially here. Where did 2021 go? I don't know, but it was another successful year in the books for the snipers. Another year of consistently profiting month in and month out. Let's go, snipers. We are back again like we never left, starting back up here on Tag a Bag Tuesdays with our good old weekly watchers list. And that list is 10 stocks we believe have the most potential to make you and I money for the upcoming week. Now, if you want this list right on Sunday, on the day that we release it, so you could be ahead of the game and not be a part of the freeloaders over here on YouTube, you can check us out on our website at www.thestocksnipers.com, or you can check us out on the App Store. We just created an amazing app so you can be trading on the go. Check us out on the App Store or Google Play under The Stock Snipers. Alright guys, so I'm going to take you on a screen recording through my phone right into the app, and we're going to find this weekly watchers list and go over it together, and maybe we can make some money on one of these stocks in the upcoming week. So when you open up the app here, you'll notice you have everything going on, the all page. You want to go to the watch list, and every single day we create two watch lists, a morning watch list and then a PM watch list that happens at 3 p.m. Eastern. Also, you're going to get this weekly watch list that's every single Sunday night for the upcoming week. So if you click into it right here, you're going to be able to see the weekly watchers. We usually put 10 stocks or more on there. Most of them are OTC stocks, but this one today, we got lucky enough to put one listed stock on there, and that's UVXY. But this list right here shows you the full list of stocks that we are looking at with the sniper patterns to the right of them. So let's dive in and let's not make this too boring. The first one we're going to go over is a Bitcoin related stock, and Bitcoin got a nice little dip going over the new year. When Bitcoin does pop and get back above 50,000, usually the Bitcoin related stocks are usually able to pop with it, and that's what we're going to be looking for in this first green day play of GTII. Now with this stock, it's already had 4 straight red days. So after 4 red days, we believe that first green day is going to be coming any day now. We like the 120-day long-term support area to possibly buy this one off of, and that's what we'll be looking to possibly play the first green day. The next one is one that we recently made a bag off of in December. This one, as you can see, has just got red day, red day, red day, red day, and looked like it was going to create that first green day Friday, but came all the way back down. We're going to be looking for that first green day to happen this week in OTC penny stock ZNOG, because the follow-up green day there are very, very nice. So if we buy the first green day, we'll be looking for the next green day there. The next OTC penny stock is another one that we traded the past 2 months, and now it's completely slowed down, coming all the way back down to that 25-cent long-term support area. It has now traded between 25 cents and 34 cents, so it's got a nice little wall that's been trading in the past week. We're going to be looking for it to break up that wall and break back above 33 cents. If it's able to do that, we're possibly going to be looking to buy this thing depending on the timing and look to play that first green day for a follow-up second green day. The next one is the EV related stocks, and these EV related stocks are very, very exciting because we got the big company that leads the EV sector, Tesla, making new month highs after coming out with their earning news, saying that they actually produced way more cars and actually shot out way more deliveries than expected. Tesla proving the haters wrong once again, squeezing shorts out and looking like it's going to get a nice bounce to start the new week here. If that gets a nice bounce, we have OTC EV related stocks that also are going to make a move, and this is going to be one of them, SIRC. So we're just going to be looking for that first green day to possibly happen there. Another group of EV related stocks, just to give you a quick little bonus here, HYSR, AITX, ABML, ALYI. That's a couple just off the top of my head I could think of, so quick little bonus in the EV sector there. Alright, this next one right here is one that we've played before. We made money one time, lost money another time. It doesn't have the best follow-up days, but we're liking the way it had 4 red days straight and now it's consolidating, looking like it wants to pop back above 3 cents. If it's able to get back to 297, we're most likely going to be looking to play that first green day for a pop above 3 cents. And this next one here is the listed stock that we were talking about. Listed stocks don't usually make the list, and this one is actually a weird listed stock. It's not necessarily a listed stock because it's not on the NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange. It actually trades inverse, so in the opposite direction of the Dow Jones. And the Dow has had 7 straight green days going into the new year. UVXY has now had 9 straight downward days going into the new year. So we're just looking to play a first green day. We always like to say we're not here to bet against the United States because that's what you're doing when you're betting against the Dow, but we will play a nice pattern when that sets up. And we're going to be looking for the first green day here when it happens in UVXY. Alright, this next one is actually the stock that we took over the weekend and the stock that we actually able to make $600 overnight on. So big shout out to this OTC Bitcoin related stock, Humble. They're actually one of those Web3, the new websites that everybody's talking about, the Web3. They're actually one of those related stocks. They've had a crazy run going from 50 cents to $7, then all the way back down to 20 cents, where we decided to take it overnight at 284. We were looking for the follow-up green day, and Money Monday, that's exactly what we got. We were able to actually profit $600 on this, selling it at 32 cents the next morning on Money Monday, and a great way to start the year in 2022. And what's even better is the whole Sniper team was actually able to profit here with us. It wasn't just us making money. All together we had 15 bags, so 15 wins that were tagged in the Sniper chat room from HMBL, and a total of above $5,100 total profit from the Snipers to start 2022 in HMBL. This next one is a great panic dip buy and a good example from last week because we actually had AABB on there as a panic dip buy, and now we have another potential panic dip buy. We were able to make just about $300 on AABB on last week's panic dip buy. We're going to be looking for more on this one in OWUV. Now the spots we want to see it come down to is 20 cents. 20 cents is a bit far from here, so we think it might take 1 or 2 days to come back down, but whenever it does come down, we're going to be looking to possibly play that bounce momentum change on the level 2s on a panic dip buy in OWUV. It's a confusing one there. But if it does turn around at 30 cents, that's probably going to be the first spot we look for. But 20 cents would really be the ideal panic dip buy. And now we're going to jump into the 4th Sniper pattern. This is the OTC short. This is the only Sniper pattern that we recommend shorting. And that's after 3 green days, we're going to be looking for a first red day to possibly short. We actually recommend not shorting on the 3rd green day, but on the 4th or 5th. So once we see 4 or 5 green days, we are going to be looking to possibly short the stock. And that's what's going on here in OTC BLFE. This one we actually were able to make just about $400 on the way up, and now we're looking to possibly short it on the way down. $2 is a nice resistance spot, so if it's able to spike anywhere close to 2, we're going to be looking to short it with a $2 cut and looking for that first red day all the way back down to possibly $1. I mean, this thing came from 50 cents 6 days ago. And last but definitely not least is another first red day short play, one that we actually just were able to make about $500 here overnight. IQST is how we closed the year last year with a very nice bag, as it was able to break 80-cent multi-month highs and go all the way to $1. We took advantage of it on that move, and now we think it's getting a bit too out of hand. If it's able to spike past $1, we're going to be looking to possibly short the first red day whenever that day happens. We're not going to try to guess when it's going to happen, but we do see 120 resistance coming up ahead, and if it's able to spike there, that's a great spot to risk your short. Alright guys, that's another weekly watchers video in the books. If you're not a part of the team, like we said, you can join us on the website at www.thestocksnipers.com or check us out on the App Store under the Stock Snipers. Hey, if you're not part of the team, maybe you can profit off of one of these stocks that we just went over. That's why we talk about it. Make sure to pay attention to key resistance and key support levels. As long as these stocks are able to hold their support, when they're breaking their resistance, go for them and see how it works. Be a sniper on your own. You can do this. That's what this is all about, becoming your own boss. Alright guys, hope to see you on the team. And if not on the team, we'll see you maybe profiting next week off this midweek. We'll see you maybe profiting off of one of these stocks next week for another weekly watchers. Stock Sniper Mike, out.